Everybody, it's Kay Toretto here. So once again, I'm finally welcoming you back in Dubai. So it's gonna be like my first night here. I arrived this morning and then took a rest. Tapos, ayun, I'm just gonna, makikitulog muna tayo for tonight video kasi wala na akong energy to travel to see my family. So we're gonna be staying with my friends. At nakuha ko magkilay, syempre. Dapat lang kasi syempre first, this is gonna be my first vlog in Dubai. So it has to be. Now, not just in Dubai, by the way, it has to be UAE because I am gonna be touring you all over the UAE. Yes, 7 Emirates. Pasok dapat lahat yan sa banga. So ayun, abangan nyo. And by the way, if you're watching this video, please comment down below if what are the things that you want to see, not just in Dubai, okay? In the UAE, the things that you want to see here and the things that, and the foods that you want to try, please comment down below. This is not just for those who's living somewhere in the world. This is also to those who's living in Dubai or in the UAE but haven't visited or haven't tried something. Just let me know, comment down below kung ano mga gusto nyong makita, matikman, mga ganyan. And again, I'm gonna be speaking English because I want my international friends to be able to understand my vlog. So if you don't understand my English, skip this video. Charas. That's gonna be it. I'm not gonna make this long. I'll see you tomorrow. So again, welcome back to Dubai! Everybody, good afternoon from India. Kay Toretto here. So for today, good luck ko para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Welcome to Dubai. Ganyan. Ganyan. And energy. Biglang, everybody, good morning again from Dubai. Di naman ako pango eh. Wag lang harap kasi mukha ako sinargo. Pagilid, okay lang. Wag lang nakatutok ng... Tsaka huwag mo ko itatabi sa matangos yung ilong. As long as I'm not with people who has a good nose, I will not look sargo. I will not look flat nose. But if I am with... Because you know, I'm always with people who have good noses. So the uniqueness of my nose is being highlighted. It was not supposed to be highlighted. So from now on, I will only go with people with the same nose. Charis. Oh, everybody, that's gonna be it. I just want to say good morning. Again, good morning from Dubai. Dubai. B, good morning ka naman, B. Please say hi to my very mestiza and petite friend. Hello.
Hi, how are you? How are you to find out?
How are you to find out? Hindi ka talaga graduation, no? Again, I'm trying to remember to speak in English because I really want my friends because they always message me, babe, love, darling, please speak English. I really want to watch your vlog because I know how funny you are. I was like, okay, I will try my best. Chares, paano? Ayun na yan. So that's gonna be it. I hope na whatever happens here, maganda yung mga magawa. I hope that the vlog that I will be making here will be as beautiful as the previous ones that I did. English. I know, but I'll try to make it better, like to make it better. To my friends, like, I'm gonna try to make it better. So they would appreciate my vlogs. Baliw. Sige na. Mag-ayos na ako. Dubai. Everybody, so ayun. I'm heading to another place. Ano kaya yung tsura ko? Back to Dubai, elevator. Napagod na ako kakaakit ng mga bundok, kakalakad sa mga lansangan, mag-elevator naman tayo. Elevator tayo for today's video. Kung hindi nyo kaya ng mga 40 degrees, hindi kayo pwede sa Dubai. Because here, 50, ngayon ano pa naman, 35, 38 degree. O, diba, ganon. Kaya pa. This is how the metro station looks like if you go inside. It's really cold. Malamig, malinis, ganyan. For the car lift, I'm gonna tell you a story. So, here, we have a lot of car lift kasi nga, diba, it's super duper hot in Dubai. And not all the workplaces can be, can be reached by metro station. So it could only be reached, most especially the ones that's far enough from the metro. You can only reach that using car lift. This is what I want to show you. If you're gonna make the wed, see, they will stop. They will stop. Confident, pwede kang tumawid without even checking if they will stop or not. They will because they don't wanna pay fines. Hoy, when I first arrived in Dubai, I think ito yung mga parang amazed na amazed ako. I'm so amazed to see place. Even the streets lang, because see, it's super clean and wide road. And the buildings, they look all the same. Para ka na sa Counter-Strike. Yeah. So when I first arrived here, it feels like I'm in Counter-Strike real life. If you know how it feels to be here right now, if you know the exhaust fan, the hot one, that's how it feels like. Yes. It's super duper hot that even the wind can make you dark. Huwag ka maghinto. Vloggeries, dalawa na mic ko, hoy! Second day. Patan, magtingin ka.
Huh?
Magtingin ka man. Mag-hello everybody ka. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody, this is Patan.
Ay, alam nyo na, mga hinahanap nyo. Siya lang naman hinahanap nyo dito. Alam ko eh. Kadadating ko lang. Ina-awardan niya ako kagabi since last night. He thought I arrived long time ago. Hello. Arte ni Patan, kala mo naman. Maputi na siya, Borta na ulit si Patan, Pak Borta. Wala. Charis lang. You cheek? Sabi niya, did I touch the back? Okay, I check, wait. No. Hindi. Tara na. Hoy. My first ever breakfast. Syempre, kailangan kasama yung isa. Nagkabardago lang kami, gagi. Binugbog ako, ang sakit. Papanghampas siya. Sabi mo, pambugbog yan eh. Dubai, hala. From Dubai to, wear it. From Dubai to Pakistan, from Pakistan to Dubai. Patano? See? Patano? This me, this you. Kaya umayos ka. Thank you. Ate, kabayan ka? Okay, hello. Hello po.
From long time here.
Kaya nakakamiss to. Yung mga libreng pagulay. Hoy, ito yung yogurt na hinahanap ko parate. Pag pumupunta ako sa mga lugar, kasi libre lang to parati sa Dubai. Ayun yung sinasabi ko, Yogurt, right? Rita.
Yeah,
Rita.
Rita.
Ayan, Sarap. Tapos kaya parati ako nang hihingi ng vegetable kasi libre lang din sa Dubai to. Ayan yung mga dahilan. Thank you. This famous in TikTok. Yeah, this one. Do you know? Huh?
What is for you? What do people say
I
for
don't
you?
know. Famous TikTok, Patan. Patan, look. Dami kong pasabog, Patan, no? Kala mo, Hoy, tara, kumain tayo. Ito yung favorite ko, kahit saan ko pumunta, kinahanap ko talaga to. Kamain na lang tayo. The hands. No, I use my hands.
I use hand. I use this.
Nahihiya si Patan. Are you shy?
No, I'm not shy, but sometimes I want to tell something, but they'll recall.
Okay. Diba? Pag may camera mabait, dito makakapagsalita naman ako ng kakamay ako, hindi ko kaya. Sarap.
I am much.
Ayan, sarap. Tell them if it's good or not. Explain to them, Patan. Tell them what the taste of the food. Dali, na-vlogger ka nga eh. Talk to camera, Patan.
Wait. No.
Wait.
Masarap niyan. Mas masarap. Very nice. Famous the Pakistani food.
This is not Pakistani. This is Afghan pulaw eh.
What's name Afghan bro? This is Pakistani.
Sarap ka ba?
Yeah.
Sarap.
But not roti. Also with the mutton, even rice pulao, biryani. And the most remember you like from my home when we make in the house. but only Sunday.
Monday to Saturday fighting, Sunday okay.
Loading.
No. Open mo nga.
Glass.
Ikaw naman, harapan ako. Sarap talaga nito.
Why you sit here? Family hall.
Family hall?
Oh.
No, it's okay. I didn't know. I didn't see. I thought it's closed. So, pa-family. Hindi naman tayo family, Gagi. Ano lang tayo?
Just a joke.
Collaboration lang to. Charas! I don't know how to explain how it tastes, but it's so good, okay?
Tell to the
Kasi if we
people
go to
that
Dubai,
tell to the people that we are friends from long time because sometimes people
they will
comment.
think, yeah,
They are
tell
comment.
them.
They
We
are
are
comment
friends,
wrong.
long time.
Yeah, they are thinking wrong.
Yeah. I told you, we're friends. Sarap. Ba't mas maraming laman sa'yo? Pengi nga. You have too much shit. Mo sa akin, konti lang, oh.
Madaya. Abdulahada.
Is Abdulahada?
Abdulahada.
Abdulahada! Ba't ko yan, eh? Patan gusto ko ng piyas. Small nga. O, tignan mo, ala, oh. Ang liit lang, buto lang binigay sa akin. Kala mo, joke lang. Patan, mag-sauce ka. Patan, what's your message to everyone who's watching you? 1 year, they're looking patan. I'm telling them no, he married with someone again. Really? No comment siya. Wala, sarap ng chai. Chai. Thank you. Ang taray, may tatak ka. Pakdarbar. Oh.
Pak darbar, ha?
Ha?
Pak darbar.
Pakdarbar.
P-A-K, pak. Not.
Ha?
Yeah.
Hoy, kumain kayo dito. Recommended yan. Who's the manager? I'm promoting the Padarbar.
This big
Is,
branch.
are you friends with the owner?
25 branches.
Yeah, sarap ng chai. Pero alam mo ba kung nakailang? You know how many chai I had yesterday? 3.
Only three chai?
3 chai yesterday.
In my home?
In your home, every 1 hour. Patay, people coming have this, how do you call it? Yung yung ganito. Every hour, you want chai juice. Non-stop. I don't like, I will be back in your village. Napakasarap ng chai sa Dubai.
Fresh milk, no?
Ano?
Fresh milk.
Fresh milk,
Pakistan.
it's good. When
From
you
my
drink,
cow.
it's tastes fresh.
You see the cow, no?
But we only drinking fresh milk when Eid. Yung Eid ka lang naglabas sa mga pangmalakasan ng lapsi.
Remaining 1 month, no? Eat.
Yeah, I know. You will go back? No?
Because I want to make the house, no?
Yeah, the house. But the car.
Your room is already make their own.
May room. Charot. Narinig yan na may kwarto ako, ah. Tell them, I have room or no? Tell them, I have room in your house. Sabihin mo na. Sasaktan kita, sabihin mo na.
No, in the
Tell them
basement.
that you
your
reserve
room is-
1 room for me.
Yeah, one room already for him. I make one together. You know the back is the space there.
I want to be with the kids. I know. No. Because everyday kay. Okay? Taray, no? First episode nga pala ng vlog ko to. Kasama kita. Hindi ka talaga papaawat. Sarap, Patan. Yung chai. Napakasarap ng chai. Kaya tignan ko kung meron pandaman yung kay Patan. Buto na lang ulit yung sa akin. Ang lakas ko sa laman, di ba? Patan, you're finished?
No.
Alam na niya, di ba? Kalas, I'm full.
Like this, no?
I don't like na. It's okay. I don't like na. I don't like pero tinanggap. Ganon. Kasang hangin. Tsura ko. Parang kasang hangin sa labas. Oh, everybody, that's gonna be it. So we're done eating. I'm heading home. Thank you very much for watching the episode 1 of my... Busy ka naman, Patan! Sino ko chat mo, Patan? Sino ko chat mo?
Girlfriend.
Ay, girlfriend!
Yeah, because she will angry again na you are
I'm what?
nothing.
Charot. Everybody, so that's gonna be it. We are done eating. Thank you very much for watching the episode 1 of my Dubai vlog. And diba, unang vlog kasama mo agad si daddy mo Patano.
Seatbelt, please.
Magkapay ka na. Say bye-bye and thank you for watching.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Ay, ang taray vlogger! Ay. Sige na yun lang. Bye. See you on the ano lang muna tayo. Kalmado lang muna. The vlog will be a little slow. Because, you know, I'm taking a break from everything. Ay. Because the heart is still healing. Chares! Chares! Aray, ba't ka naman naningi ko? Ano ba? Ano? Cargo. Ano mo sa ulo sa senyas, nakita mo yun, nakatabi na yung camera. Hindi yung magsasalita. Anyway, again, that's gonna be it. Thank you again very much for watching the episode 1 of my Dubai vlog. Again, whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a good day. If not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Again, this is Kate Chueto. Bye. Hello kayo. Hello po. Hala ko mag-selfie para maganda ako. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Yung gusto ko maganda ako sa picture. Siyempre vlog ko yun, dapat maganda ako sa vlog ko. Hindi nyo maiintindihan yung sarap ng Chicken Joy unless tumira kayo sa abroad. Promise, sobrang nanginginig talaga ako sa sarap. Kaya ko nang walang jowa, pero hindi ko kaya nang walang Chicken Joy. Sobrang sarap. Sa unang kagat, legit talaga lahat. Ayun na yung bago. Sa unang kagat, legit talaga lahat. Gusto ko mag-tumbling sa sarap. Karugtong lang to ng vlog ko kahapon, kasama ko si Patay. Baka mamaya makita kami ulit. Kaya siyang kumain. Baka lang naman, busy ako. Sa mga kumakain dyan ng Chicken Joy at hindi sinisimot yung buto, wala kayong mga kwentang tao. Charot lang. Grabe, no? Galing na naka-invento ng Jollibee. Napakagaling. Well, ayun na yun. Grabe. Thank you for watching the first episode of my Dubai vlog. I told you it's gonna be calm, gonna be slow. Ina-enjoy ko lang yung first vlog ko. Kasi makikipagbakbakan talaga tayo ng vlog. Maniwala na kayo. After this vlog, bugbugan na tayo. Gagawa tayo ng mga malalang vlog. Charas. Okay, maingit kayo. Chicken Joy. After half a year, mag-Chicken Joy kayo. Pag bagong sahod kayo, mag-Chicken Joy kayo. Deserve nyo to. Deserve nyo kumain sa Jollibee. Naririnig nyo ba? Ang crunchy. Ang sarap. Sige na, babay na.